This is Josh from Wohler Equipment. We're in the shop today. I'm going to show you what it takes to replace a hydrostatic unit in an LS MT342HC. So this unit here was acting kind of strange. There was kind of a delay in the hydro. We feel there's something messed up inside here. We don't repair these hydro units ourselves, so LS gave us the authorization to just replace the whole thing. This is still under warranty. So this is the old unit that we've removed. This is your input shaft coming from the engine, and then you have the output shafts on the backside. So here we've got the first split here right behind the engine. You can see our flywheel with our dampener. This is where that shaft is driven from, right there. There's our new unit in there. At first we thought it was going to be pretty simple, just a single split and pull that unit out. But as you can see, this unit protrudes beyond this housing. So in order to remove this housing, we did have to jack up the cab. You can see the space there. Pull the fuel tank on this side, so we could get to the back side of the housing to access the bolts. Once we got this little bell housing out of there, then it was a simple matter of unbolting that hydrostatic unit and bolting the new one back in. So here we are, a little over halfway through this project. It's going back together, putting all the different components back on the sides of this housing. We'll lower the cab back down, and then the way we split it, we took this overhead chain hoist and hooked it on here. Sometimes we'll use a splitting stand, but on a smaller tractor like this, without a lot of good places to hold on to with a splitting stand, we'll just go with this overhead hoist and we'll roll them back together, line up these splines here, and then button it all back up. And there you have it.